43 right now. Rebuilding and recovery is looking a little bit different in some places in Altadena for people who are trying to return home.
This month, the county held a virtual workshop on navigating factory-built and manufactured homes. This is an example of an alternative style home. This is BOXABL. This is their studio version on display right here at the parking lot of Grocery Outlet on Lake Avenue.
Sleeping area and your entertainment area up front.
We talked to CJ Scott and he walked us through. He lost his family home in the Eaton fire and says these units arrive folded up and are assembled on site.
It's fire resistant, wind resistant. The payments like on this studio is $8.99 a month. You can't stay anywhere in the state of California for $8.99 a month. You know what I'm saying? So for you to be able to get back onto your lot and watch your house get rebuilt and then move into your house and have a source of rental income or an additional space to put your family members, all right, who may not be in a position, it's just phenomenal.
The county says temporary housing permits are good for up to 2 years and can be extended annually for up to 3 years after that. Now, property taxes will be assessed, but some of the structures may only have to pay a licensing fee.
It's something that, I think is suitable for us. Yeah.
So promising.
Yeah.